The Dog and His Bone Story. A dog is walking down the street when he sees a bone in a trash can. A bone! Yippee! How lucky for me, he thinks. He grabs the bone and happily runs home. He runs past the train station and the school. He runs through the park. He runs onto a bridge. On the bridge, the dog looks down into the deep, still water below. There, he sees another dog with a bone in its mouth. Who is that dog, he wonders. What is he doing down there? The dog stares at the other dog. The other dog stares back. Where did that dog get such a big bone, the dog wonders. Why is his bone bigger than mine? The dog growls at the other dog. The other dog growls too. I want that big bone, he thinks. The greedy dog decides to steal the other dog's bone. He leaps off the bridge and into the water. Splash! But as soon as he hits the water, the other dog disappears. There was never any other dog. It was just his own reflection. The water is very deep and the dog is surprised. Woof woof woof! Help, he barks. And when he barks, his bone drops from his mouth and sinks to the bottom of the water. The dog swims to shore. He is wet and cold. And now he has no bone at all. Moral: be happy with what you have. If you're greedy, you might lose everything.